maingay ang politika. Kamusta naman po? Apektado po ba ang hukbong dagat sa mga ganitong usapin?
Okay, ang gandang question na 'yon po. I would just like to highlight that your armed forces is professional po, and we understand yung mga damdamin ng ating kapwa Pilipino about corruption. And we also are into integrity. Meron kaming mga values na tinatawag integrity. So we value that much. Ito yung mga non-negotiable values po. One of the non-negotiable values. So with this, we have sworn an oath to our constitution, and we believe in our constitutional processes, hindi yung mga shortcuts. So with this, we believe that our processes are working, and we have given our oath to defend and to support our constitution and constitutional authorities po. So I would just like to emphasize sa mga nanonood po at mga tagapakinig na inyong Armed Forces of the Philippines, lalo na po ang Philippine Navy, ay isang professional, disiplina na armed forces, and we would not go into shortcuts, and we learned our lesson already. So we're here to support the Constitution, and we are for the protection of our sovereignty and our national interest po.
Ma'am, just want to get also your reaction from the Philippine Navy. Yung sinabi po ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs ng China kung saan binabantaan nila yung mga uniform services ng Pilipinas. Ano po ang take doon ng Philippine Navy?
Okay, yung mga issues na ganun po ay pinapaubaya po namin sa DFA po, sa Defense, sa Department of Foreign Affairs, as well as sa Department of National Defense. So the authority po na pwede magsalita ukol sa ganitong bagay ay yung ating Secretary ng National Defense po, at saka yung Secretary po ng ating DFA po. So for the Navy, we would not want to dwell on discussions of that, but we would want to assure everyone that despite the political noise and despite of the harassment probably, we would always be there we are committed and steadfast in our mandate, which is to protect our sovereignty, sovereign rights, and to protect the Filipino people. And we are fully supporting the Constitution. So, one AFP, one Philippines nga po ang sinabi ng ating Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines, si General Browner. Strong AFP, strong Philippines po.
Okay, ma'am. Last na po. Mensahe nyo na lang po sa ating mga kababayan at yung mensahe nyo po sa mga